Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Miss Nene. Today I'm doing a really quick video. I'm doing an open cut pour using all metallic colors on a 12 by 12 inch canvas. I hope you enjoy this. Don't forget to check out the coupon codes and links in the description, and I will catch you at the end. See you in a minute. Well, here it is. I am done and I love it. I think it's really pretty. I love the different tones of metallic gold and that copper on this black background. It's one of my favorite colors, gold and black, especially in metallics. So this one turned out really good. I admit it's not what I was planning. I don't even know if I even really had a plan. I just knew that I wanted to use these colors on a black background. But I'm really happy with it nevertheless. So I'm okay, I'm cool, I'm happy. So I wanted to also remind everyone to check out the coupon code and the link for Arteza products. I got a coupon for 15% off. This canvas is an Arteza product that I purchased, 12 by 12. So the link to that will be in there. I think it came in a pack of 5, I'm not sure. But you can definitely use that 15% off coupon to get a discount on canvases and even the paints that I use. So here it is, dry and varnished. Look at that. I love that. I just love it so much. The little cells with the different tones of gold. Just little pockets of gold. That's what I call it. That's what it looks like to me. I think it is really beautiful. And it will be listed on my website for purchase. And I will leave a link to my website also in the description. I want to ask you to like this video if you like it. I hope you do. Please subscribe to my channel so that you know when I'm uploading new content. I will be doing a whole lot of other videos pretty soon, doing some mugs, doing some coasters, doing just a little bit of everything. And hit the notification bell so you know when I'm doing them. So please be safe out there. The world is crazy right now, as we know. Stay safe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.